before the video begins, please make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. That way you never miss a video. Alright, what's going on YouTube? Steve Gorniak here from GTradeNow.com. It's a beautiful day. It's my birthday, another year older, unfortunately. But I wanted to bring you guys in for a quick at-the-money trade that I got going on to help me enhance my birthday funds. So what I did, guys, in this trade was I sold Audi at 68.94. As you can see right now, the indicative is at 68.91. All right, so meaning we are exactly where I want it to be, below where I said it's going to be. So we're in profit. I got $50 per contract profit on this one, okay? And I'm going to show you or teach you, if you don't know what that means, this is exactly what it means, is I have $50.50 profit per trade or per contract on this. I have a total of 5 contracts. So this trade is worth, if it were to expire at 3 o'clock below 68.94, I get $252.50. Okay, and I'll just write money signs, is that's what we get. Okay, now the amount of money it's going to cost me to make $252 is done by this. Every contract is out of 100, and we subtract the $50.50 that we are getting, meaning we get $49.50 risk per trade, and we times that by the contracts we have. So we are risking $247.50 to make $252. So beautiful risk reward I got going on in this trade. I love that a lot. And I probably will take profit early on this trade. Probably go down to probably about, I'm going to let it go for a little bit right now. We'll see what the chart says. Okay, so I'm going to break this chart down a little bit for you, what I saw. All right, now everything that I'm going over, guys, is in my hourly course. I got a little value area on here, and that's kind of how I was trading along with trend lines to get my position. Now, I'm going to start on an hour chart. Okay, so what I saw, same thing that I talked about in my last video. I saw this big move. We got overextended there. I'm anticipating a sell, okay? And that's exactly what I made my move at. All right, so I saw that we were overbought on this market, right around here. Not fully overbought. There is still room, but I kind of anticipated to get into my position. All right, and then on the 4 hour, the 4 hour is still trending up, so that's why I'm gonna take profit when I can, right? I'm gonna set a good take profit point, and I'll exit this trade with money in the bank. All right. All right, same thing on the 15-minute. You can clearly see this huge move to the upside. We kind of failed right here. We started making a move to the downside. Right around value area is probably where I'm going to put my take profit, which I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that now. So right here, we're going to set an alert. We'll go 86. So we'll do TP there. I want to set it at value area. Actually, that's good for me. And I'll put a nice little alert there, or a text box there to tell me to get out. All right, and I looked at that, and that's what we're good. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pause, I'm gonna bring up my Nadex, I'm gonna pause this video, and once I get in or I'm about to take profit, I will exit this trade. I think I'm gonna take this down. I'll put a work order at buy 5 at 15 and see where this goes. All right, guys, so I'll pause and I'll come back. Thank you. All right, guys, so I'm gonna bring you back in. My take profit is about to hit here, and it just did, just like that. That position for me was testing me a little bit. I should have put a take profit quicker, and I should have took my money quicker. So that's just greed at its finest right there. But I'm glad you guys got to see that. I was about to take profit regardless when I was at 80 because it's my birthday and I really don't want to sit around and manage this trade because it did go south on me. But you can see it should expire in the money. There's about, I don't know, like 5 minutes left in that trade. I think I was in 1 to 3. Yeah, 3 minutes left in that trade, and my position was right here at 68.94. So it's looking good, but I don't want to hang around. That's why I said to take profit. And that's that. Okay, guys. So that's it. That's going to conclude. So what I had was I ended up taking profit at 20, as you can see right here. Okay, so I got in at 50.50, right? And I subtract 20 to get the difference. That means I got $30.50 per contract on this trade, and I took 5 contracts. So in this trade alone, I made $152.50. And that was in a little less than, well, it was from 1:37 to, no, it's about an hour. Just a little over an hour, $152.50. So that is what you can do if you understand how the market moves, understand market sentiment, understand structure, okay? And if you go in to gtrade.com and you go buy the hourly course, I go over all these steps inside our hourly course. It's my best-selling course. I'd love to have you in it. I love you have you guys in our groups, and I look forward to working with you. Thanks again for watching this video. Please smash the like button, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.